name is Natasha and welcome to my channel, Only in Your Mind. I'm so very excited because me and one of my good friends from YouTube, Mrs. My Mouse, got together to do another amazing collaboration. We're doing Toy Story 4 makeups. She will be doing Forky. Check out this clip. Look at how cute Forky is. I will put her information, her link to this video in my description box below, so please go check out her makeup. And I did the makeup of Benson. If you guys have seen Toy Story 4, you know who Benson is. Please keep watching to see how I did Benson's makeup. Hey guys, I'm using a strapless dress, a white eyeliner, and a reference photo of Benson that I found online. And I'm just going to do a rough draft of Benson's suit. Now, his shirt inside of his jacket, it's going to be white and the color is from Paradise. And then his bow tie is also from Paradise. It is red. Then for the jacket that he's wearing, it's going to be a dark blue from Fab. I haven't seen Toy Story 4 yet, but I heard it was really good. And when I saw the character lineup, I knew I had to do Benson. I'm not sure if he's a creepy and bad character. I don't know. But I just thought he would be cool to do. So I'm going to be using a brown from Fab, and it's called Indian Brown for his hair. And then I'm using two colors that's from Wolf Brothers for his face, neck, and ears. Now I did take that brown color and I just took it through to my hairline, even on top of my hair, which I didn't really need to, and I probably shouldn't have done, because I'm just going to put like a black cap on my head so you can't actually see my hair. So guys, I am very excited. This will be my second makeup in 2 weeks. I haven't done makeup like this in a while, so I'm really happy that I was able to actually get 2 makeups out for you guys. Now, right here, I'm taking that same Indian Brown and just doing his eyebrows. It actually starts looking more and more like him when I start adding the eyebrows. And I'm using that same red that I used for his bow tie, for his lips. And it's really cool because I always have such a great time doing collaborations with Mrs. My Mouse. She's so talented, and she's just a really awesome and fun person. Now, right here, I'm using the Star Blend in black, and that's also from Mehron. And it's a powder, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create his collar. I probably shouldn't have done this until later on using the powder, and I stopped like after I did his bow tie, and I just went ahead and started using black Wolf Brothers paint and just started outlining everything, because you're not going to see really his suit, but I wanted to do that, you know, his jacket and vest. But here I am doing the pinstripes, and I didn't do many, I just did a couple, because in the photo you couldn't really see many of his pinstripes. Here I'm going to go ahead and darken out a little edge, almost like a triangle part, to show that his arms are like, you know, a ventriloquist's dummy. Sometimes I have a hard time saying that word, but I was able to do it. Yay! For his mouth, I'm going to use some of that Star Blend in black, and I'm going to give him a shadow. Then I'm going to come in with Wolf Brothers black for a darker line. For the coolest part, well, I don't know if it's the coolest part, but I thought it was really cool, it's his eyes. I used lime green and white from Paradise, Mehron Paradise, and then I'm going to fill in the skin color. And then with black, I'm just going to outline all those areas in his eyes. Now with some Star Blend and tan, I'm going to create a nose for Benson. With some white, I'm going to add some highlights all over the place. His eyebrows, his hair, his nose, his lips, and his bow tie, and his jacket. Now I want to take the time to thank you guys so much for sitting back and watching me do this Toy Story 4 Benson makeup. Don't forget to check out Mrs. Mouse's makeup of Forky. I'll put her link in my description box below, and check out all her other cool makeups. She is so talented, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel too. She's amazing. So I just want to take the time to just say thank you so much, guys. You guys are amazing, and I really enjoy reading your comments. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you guys on my next makeup. Thank you guys so much for sitting back and watching me do Benson's makeup from Toy Story 4. If you guys enjoyed this makeup, please give me a like. Don't forget to go check out Mrs. Mouse's amazing makeup and all her other makeups. I will put her information in my description box below, and I will see you guys on my next makeup.